Hello, my name is Washira Nganga, and I do food and beverage production, and I'm also the school president here in Tumaini Innovation Center. Are you a young mother who wants skills and to provide what your kid needs? Tumaini has a beautiful and comfortable daycare equipped with all that your kid may need. In the daycare, there are beautiful toys, colorful walls, a TV, and a good kitchen for your children's meals. We also have a qualified nutritionist who will be taking care of your children as you study. For more information, you can visit our social media handles at Tumaini Innovation Center on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Remember, tunajenga vijana.